Hey, I'm Megan with WTI, and I have found the most functional Lazy Susan for my fridge. I absolutely love this Lazy Susan by LAMU because it reaches right to the back of my fridge. And the way it's designed is that the track that it's on is in a heart shape instead of a circle. So since this is a rectangle Lazy Susan and not a circular Lazy Susan, the heart-shaped track allows it to move in a circular motion so that you can reach it at all sides. I absolutely love this because I can fit more on the Lazy Susan and reach whatever I need wherever it happens to be. So it really makes my fridge more usable and more functional. It comes with 2 suction cups that you can easily press down so that it stays put on your fridge. And if you want to move it around in different spots in your fridge, all you have to do is pull the tabs on each suction cup and it lifts up really easily. I love that my fridge is so much more functional now that I have this Lazy Susan by LAMU. And that's my point of view.